The word clock takes its origin from the French term for a bell. The earliest mechanical clocks appeared in France. The records of the town of Citeaux in France show the existence of a clock as early as 1120 that struck the bell every 1 hour of the day. Soon most of the cities in Europe had clocks in the city center. These mechanical clocks worked on a system of pulleys and weights. They were not accurate and they could gain or lose up to half an hour a day. It was Galileo who made it possible to discover precise clocks. His discovery in 1594 of the principle of pendulum was applied by Dutch scientist Christian Huygens to clock-making in 1657, which resulted in the birth of the precise modern clock. The journey from clocks mounted on towers to watches in pockets was the result of the invention of the German locksmith Peter Henle. The term watch was a loan word from sailors who had kept 4 hours of watch before the hourglass, which soon were replaced by the handy and precise Henle-Ness pocket clocks, now newly christened as watches or pocket watches. Men wore watches on chains attached to their coat pocket. However, women did not have pockets, so, initially they wore them around their neck. It was something like a chain or necklace with the addition function of measuring time. By about the early part of 1920, watches shaped like bracelets became popular among women. The evolution of these bracelet watches resulted in the birth of the modern ladies' wristwatches. However, in the army a wristwatch was a practical tool, and the army adapted what was a fashion statement as a practical tool. The army wristwatches later became everyday wear for both men and women. Over the thousand-and-odd history of time measurement, many brands have come up that have now frozen as relics in the collective memory of man. Names like Patek Philippe, Blancpain, Rolex, Zenith, Vacheron Constantin spell class. Owning these watches are the dreams of many.